This is the Roku Express, an economical streaming box for your television. This $20 streaming box is an easy way to watch online content on your TV. Looking at the box here, you can see this is the HD version, so no 4K support. Looking to the right side, you'll see it claims easy setup, which we'll go through the setup process later in this video, as well as support for Apple AirPlay, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant. On the other side of the box, we see what's included in the box, as well as what we will need, which includes internet and a Wi-Fi router, and a television with an HDMI port. Let's go ahead and unbox the Roku and see what's inside. Above is the plastic tray with the Roku, the remote, and the AAA batteries. And underneath we find the instruction manual, an HDMI cable, and a USB to micro USB charging cable. It is important to note there is no USB wall charger, so you'll either need to get your own or use a USB port on your TV to power the Roku. Let's look at the Roku Express device, and you'll see at the back is the HDMI port, the micro USB port for power, and a reset button. On the front is this protective sticker with a note to point at this side with the remote. I'll go ahead and remove this sticker. Now let's install the included AAA batteries into the remote. And finally, let's connect the Roku to power by using the included micro USB to USB cable. The micro USB end plugged into the back of the Roku, and for the USB end, I'll use a wall adapter I already have. Next, let's take the HDMI cable and plug the one end into the Roku and the other into the television. Now, go ahead and power on your TV and make sure to switch the input on the television to the HDMI port. You should see this Roku start screen to select your language. I'll go ahead and select English using the OK button on the remote. Next, it will search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list using the arrow keys on the remote and press OK. Then enter your Wi-Fi network's password. Then select Connect. It will now take a few moments to connect to your Wi-Fi. Next, you'll likely need to do a software update. Click OK on the remote. The Roku Express is now updating. This may take a few minutes. Next, the Roku will then restart and finish updating. Once complete, you'll get this message saying the device is up to date. Click OK on the remote. You will now need to sign in or create a Roku account. You can either do this by entering your email address or activate via a QR code. I'll select by email, then using the remote, enter your email address. You'll get an email from Roku with a link to finish setting up your account. Go to your email on your device, like your phone or computer. Once you complete setting up your account via the email, return to your television and your Roku will now need to update the individual apps. Once this finishes, you'll get this all done message. Click the right arrow on the remote, and now you are at the Roku home screen. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video, and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time.